Yeah. So as you people can see right now, I'm cleaning all these Trump banners. I used to do him campaign. Last 4 or 5 months ago. I don't forget them. So now I'm cleaning all those things now. I will clean it because Trump is winning. Trump is winning. They are celebrating in America. I will celebrate in Nigeria here. Yes, and nobody will stop me for celebrating Donald Trump. I told you people before. I will not say anything now, but let me just clean this thing. And in next video, I will tell you people the reason I'm doing Trump campaign. And I believe Trump has win already. So, work continue. Africa for Trump 2024. Vote for Donald Trump. And Trump is winning now. So after Trump win, we are going to celebrate it. I just want to clean the banners. I want to clean everything. Yeah, I'm just watching everything now. Now the other one, Daddy said it. The last time we do Trump campaign here, there was rain. So rain for that day. So that is why the thing fall inside. But now I want to clean it. After I clean it, by the evening we are going to celebrate the winning of Donald Trump. And I will tell you people the reason I'm doing Trump campaign here in Nigeria. Look at it. You see what they here? Vote for Donald Trump. You see him? I will tell you people the reason that I'm doing Trump campaign here. I'm coming. Element one.
My wife.
You can read what is here. Have you seen it here? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Brother, come. So I'm telling you people that Trump is winning. Hold on. Go here. I'll go.
Is it there?
No problem. That's stop everything in another. Because I know life. Africa are standing for you, Donald Trump. They see him. Donald Trump, Africans are with you. Africans are supporting Donald Trump in 2024 presidential election. God bless America, God bless Africa, God bless Donald Trump. So, today in the evening, we are going to celebrate it here in Nigeria. And I will tell you people they listen, I'm celebrating Donald Trump here in Nigeria. As they are celebrating in America, we are celebrating in Nigeria here. So Trump is winning now. And before few hours now, they will declare Trump as a president of America. So follow me. Yeah. We are live. I know live video.
Nah,
Come back. Just
why is that?
Hold on, like 5 minutes. I will land up, so you can talk. In the Ghana school now. So, as you can see, the work has, as you can see, everything has finished. Yes. So, very soon now, I'll pack it up. So, we are going to celebrate Trump victory in America very soon. So, thank you. And God bless you. If you are supporting Trump, if you are supporting of Trump, share this message. Because most of you will hate Trump. Most of you will. Listen, let me tell you people something. You know, that you people are saying a lot of things against Trump, that Donald Trump hates Africans. That is what you people are saying, but that is not truth. But let me tell you people something. Trump wants Africans to wake up. Trump wants Africans to wake up. But I don't want to talk too much on it. Trump is not like other politicians that will come to pet Africa, to giving Africans sweet word, to leak, to shocking what is in Africa. No. That was the other time they said that Donald Trump said that what they said? They said that Trump said that Africa is a sheepfold, and it's true, because all these Western countries, they take Africa as a sheepfold. They will come and take good things in Africa, and they will abandon Africa as a dustbin. So Trump wants Africans to wake up. Trump loves Africa. He wants them to wake up. You don't know the fight that Trump is fighting. Trump loves brag, but some of you may not understand. But I will not talk much thing here. So let me end this video here. By the evening, we are going to move out to celebrate what we are doing that video. By the evening time, we are going to move out to celebrate the victory of Donald Trump. So thank you, and God bless you.